at Walgreens. It's like icebergs. It's iceberg soup right there. Anyway, everything's melting good. It is 48 degrees today. A lot more people are driving on the road. I didn't have to go to work today because everything was refrozen this morning, but everything should melt, and then tomorrow we'll go ahead and I'm gonna go down to freezing for just a little bit, like around 30-ish, and then tomorrow's gonna be 54. So that is it. That's it for that winter storm that we got here. So yeah, look at that, clear roads, nice. So, oh, thanks for following along.